Hey YouTube, I am in the dashboard area of a 2020 Toyota RAV4. Today's job is to replace the cabin air filter. Pretty easy job for you here. So first thing you want to do is get on the passenger side, look at the glove box, open the glove box and let her down and pull anything that's in the glove box out. And then the next step is to disengage this guy right here. This is what provides a dampened open and close motion. So it's sort of like a little shock absorber. It just simply pulls off. And then from here, we've got to squeeze the sides of the glove box door inwards, like so, to get the glove box door to drop. Optionally, you can just pull the door off. It's got some little hooks here that hook into the dashboard. If you want to get it out of your way, you can go ahead and do that. Next step, there's a lid right here. Simply disengages from the right side, and there's a couple of hooks right here that this cover engages with, and you just want to pull towards the passenger side of the vehicle and pull that out. From here, we've got the filter carrier, and that simply pulls straight out. And from here, what we'll do is we will just pull the filter out, and it pretty much just comes out of the cartridge. You want to make sure that the up arrow remains in the up position. The part number that we are using, this is a genuine Toyota part. That's the part number. Pull it out of the box. And the new one, as you can see, is white in color. The other one's gray because it's old and dirty. This one also has an up arrow. So what we'll do is we'll just put it back into the filter cartridge, like so. So there's an up arrow on the filter cartridge. There's that. We just want to make sure that the cartridge is sitting here properly. Once you have the filter in place on the cartridge, it's just a matter of reversing your steps, feeding it back into the dashboard. So up arrow is still pointing up. We'll put the lid back in, being careful to engage those tabs on the left side there, right there, and then push this guy right in here. So from here, we'll just put the glove box door back on if you removed it. It simply just goes back into the hinge right here, snaps into place, and then we'll lift the glove box door up until it snaps right here and right here. Go ahead and put that shock back on, put the personal effects back in the glove box, and we're done. Anyway, hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, please click the like button and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks and have a great day.